Hello, and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, April 2nd, 2025, we're dissecting Amazon stock, AMZN. We'll be covering the latest news impacting Amazon and then diving into the charts for a technical analysis. Recent news indicates a mixed outlook. On one hand, there's tariff uncertainty looming, with Trump considering imposing new tariffs, which has been affecting the broader market. Some analysts, like those at Jefferies, have lowered their price targets due to these macroeconomic concerns. However, other analysts, such as Mark Mahaney at Evercore ISI, are bullish, viewing Amazon's valuation as attractive, especially considering its AI initiatives and growth potential. Let's move over to the daily chart to get a broader perspective of the stock's performance over the past few months. Looking at the daily chart, we can see Amazon has been quite volatile. There was a big drop around August of 2024, and the stock price has ranged between 150 and 240 over the past year. Currently, we're sitting around 192 as of the close of yesterday, April 1st, 2025. This recent activity could be attributed to investors digesting both the tariff concerns and the positive news around Amazon's AI expansion and increased capital expenditure for 2025. Particularly its $100 billion allocation towards AI infrastructure within AWS. Let's narrow down to some interesting recent candles from March 10, 2025 onward, and switch to an hourly chart to see the price action. Okay, now focusing on the 1-hour chart, starting around March 10, 2025, we observe significant swings. A support level seems to be forming around the 184 to 187 area. Resistance seems to be hitting at the 193 area. The candles themselves are all quite volatile. The news around the company's growth and capital expenditure are not able to fight through the tariff fears. It seems more likely we may test lower support levels here in the short term. Let's look at that most recent day or so on the 15-minute chart to see what's happening now. On the 15-minute time frame, we see some consolidation. We can see the market is attempting to create a bottom at this level. Short term, if we break 190 again, we will probably go lower to test 187 to 188 again. If we manage to break 193, it would be likely that the short-term tariff headwinds are letting up and we're beginning to be more bullish. That being said, let's zoom out to a one-day time frame again. Zooming back out to the daily chart, if the tariff fears subside and AI momentum builds, a break above the 200 level could signal a longer-term bullish trend. For now, the 184 to 187 level represents crucial support, while resistance hovers around 200. Keep an eye on news regarding tariffs and Amazon's AI developments, as these will likely be the primary drivers of price action. That concludes our chart analysis of Amazon today. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts, and please subscribe.